Hey everybody, Monty Reed here for Thrive Life, and today I'm talking to you about pork ribs and Thrive's tomato sauce. This is the classic tomato sauce. Nice, beautiful rub. All you need is some Chef's Choice. We sprinkle that on, and then we just sprinkle the tomato sauce powder on there, just like a rub. Lift this back. I'm talking to the video, honey. Not talking to myself. Well, I am talking to myself in the world. All right, once we get that on, I just spread out some plastic wrap on the counter, threw down some Chef's Choice, and I'm going to throw down some more of the classic tomato powder. And then we're going to toss the ribs on there, and then we'll wrap it. Some folks like to leave it in a dry rub state for a week, but I'm not going to this time. We're going to probably be cooking these up in a couple of days. But some folks will say and claim that that's the only way, and I'm flexible. You can try that if you want, but even if you just do it for a few hours, it will be good. But the dry rub idea works really well. You do want to refrigerate it, and let's see, I'm going to pull this out and lay it on the plastic. So we've got it laid down on the plastic, and we're going to do the Chef's Choice all-purpose seasoning blend. And sorry about the mess. We gave the staff the weekend off. That was like 10 years ago. There we go. And then we're going to dust it with the tomato sauce powder. If you want to go with the traditional barbecue sauce technique, you can take this tomato sauce powder and add a little bit of water and some of the freeze-dried honey. You can throw a little vinegar in there too as well if you'd like. You can do brown sugar. I like to do honey and a little vinegar when I'm going for the barbecue flavor. But this is the dry rub technique. And then to make some dipping sauce, we'll just put a little bit of the tomato sauce with some honey and a little vinegar to make a barbecue dipping sauce for later. Get that on there. Got a little bit exposed, so I'm going to put a little bit of powder along the edges here. So when we fold that up, it'll get on there. There we go. That's our dry rub. We'll wrap this and put it in the fridge. We're using that cling wrap so that once we get this down, we'll pinch and roll, and then we'll double wrap it and store that in the refrigerator for a few days. Some avid barbecue enthusiasts will say you gotta store it for a week or longer, but we're just going to do a couple days because we want to have these ribs. And so that's a quick tip. This is Monty Reed for Thrive Life, and a quick tip on using the Thrive classic tomato sauce and Chef's Choice as a dry rub for your ribs.